welcome. In this video, we would be talking about display and modify workbook content in different views. So basically, in this, the first thing that we would be looking into is freeze worksheet rows and columns. So it is a very important thing that an individual who's working on Excel should know because it can create a lot of issues while working on Excel. So the meaning of freezing worksheet rows and columns means that let's say this is your workbook that you are working on, and the first option, the first A1 cell means date, and it has been mentioned different dates from 1st July 2005 till 18th of July, and each day we have different tasks. And if you go till task 36, there are these number of tasks. So it would be difficult for an individual, for example, if he has to write what the task was of the what was the 31st task on day number, let's say 7, and it would be difficult to search which one is the seventh day. But if you just freeze the top first row, then by just going down, it would be easy to see which day is it is, and it would be easy for an individual to write the task of that particular date. So to do that, there's an option in Microsoft Excel that is called Freeze Pane, Panes panes. And to do that, you need to click on View here, and then in the Windows option ribbon, there is an option called Freeze Pane. That means freeze a portion of the sheet to keep it visible when you scroll through the rest of the sheet. Basically, what I was telling you. So to do that, first of all, you need to first of all see what you need to freeze. For example, if you just need to freeze the first row because you when you go down, it also goes up, right? And or if you want to freeze the first column because if you go right, the first column you can't see. So it'd be difficult which task is this, the highlighted cell, right? The 16th, S16th, 16 is task 15, right? So it is difficult to see. So you can either uh, freeze the row or you can freeze column or you can freeze both also. So let's first freeze the first row. Just click here and freeze top row. So once you click it, you have freezed it. So if you can go down, you can easily see which day it is. For example, it is 13th of July 2005, and here is task 31. You can easily mention the task 31, right? So you have freezed the first row, and if you want to unfreeze it, just click on unfreeze panes here. You have unfreezed it, and if you want to freeze first column, you have freezed it. And if you go right, see the task 1, task 2 list is visible, and you can edit it easily. And if you want to unfreeze it, just do it here again. And if you want to you want to freeze both row and column, first of all click where you want to freeze. For example, if you click on this cell, that means the row above this cell and the column that is to the left of the cell both will freeze. For example, if you click on this cell, the row above this, that is the second one, and the uh, column A would freeze. So here I want to freeze the first row and the A column. So so easy thing to remember is the top and left side of it will freeze. The top is row A, left is column. The top is row 1, left is column A. So it will freeze. Click here, freeze panes, and you have freeze both row and column. And if you want to unfreeze it, just click unfreeze. So this video was about freezing a worksheet, rows and columns. It is very important to remember it, and it will make the task easy. Thank you so much for watching.